Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are ready to build blazing fast web APIs with Python, you're in the right place. Today, we're walking through exactly how to set up and install FastAPI right inside Visual Studio Code. Let's get right to it. All right, first things first. Open up Visual Studio Code and open the specific folder where you want your new project to live. Once your project folder is open, we need to bring up the integrated terminal. You can easily do this by going to the top menu bar, clicking on Terminal, and selecting New Terminal from the drop-down list. Now, it's always a best practice to create an isolated virtual environment for your Python projects, so your computer's global packages don't get mixed up. In your new terminal, type Python space a dash followed by the letter M space the word venv space the word venv one more time. Hit enter. To activate this environment on Windows, type venv a backslash the word scripts with a capital S, a backslash and the word activate. Hit enter. If you're on a Mac, you'll type the word source space venv a forward slash the word bin a forward slash and activate. You'll know it worked when you see the environment name pop up right in parentheses next to your terminal prompt. So, with our environment active and ready, let's grab the actual framework. Type pip space install space and the word FastAPI, all one word. Hit enter, and Visual Studio Code will reach out and quickly download all the necessary core files. Next, FastAPI needs a dedicated web server to actually run your code and serve it to the browser. The officially recommended server for this is called Uvicorn. Back in that exact same terminal, type pip space install space and the word Uvicorn. Hit enter and wait just a few seconds for that installation to finish up. And that's it. You've successfully installed everything you need and you're completely ready to start writing your first API endpoints. If this setup guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know what kind of project you're building, and I'll catch you in the next one.